हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल तनूज़ लाइब्रेरी हब। आज की वीडियो में हम जामिया मिल्लिया इस्लामिया की तरफ से आए नोटिस के बारे में बात करेंगे। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रेंड्स। ये नोटिस जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं जामिया मिल्लिया इस्लामिया न्यू दिल्ली की तरफ से आया है। सो इसे रीड करते हैं पहले। नोटिस फॉर यूजी पीजी प्राइवेट एग्जामिनेशन फॉर्म फॉर द सेशन ऑफ 2021 टू 2022 आर अवेलेबल, जिसके लिए ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन का लिंक 8 अप्रैल 2022 को स्टार्ट हो जाएगा और आपका लास्ट डेट फॉर सबमिशन ऑफ ऑनलाइन फॉर्म विल बी 18 मई 2022 है। एस्पिरेंट्स are advised to read out the guidelines for eligibility criteria etc. carefully before filling the examination form. They are also required to submit the hard copies of the examination form along with required documents immediately after filling online form for verification at the counter number 1, Office of the Controller of Examination, Jamia. Here are the guidelines of Jamia Millia Islamia New Delhi for private candidates, fresh and ex-student, undergraduate and postgraduate programs, annual examination session 2021 to 2022. Here are the details, so please read carefully before filling the examination form. Let's discuss who is eligible as a private candidate. Here is some categories. For example, women candidates are eligible: permanent employees of Jamia Millia Islamia, defense personnel in uniform, Urdu medium candidates and the physically handicapped candidates are eligible for this form. The candidate shall be required to fulfill the following requirements as mentioned under each category. For women candidates, those candidates who have not studied in any recognized institution or the applicants for admission to the examination are supported by an affidavit certifying the condition laid down subpara 1.3 and R. Foreign women candidates may be considered in case they are holding a valid visa other than tourist visa. And for permanent employees of Jamia Millia Islamia, the candidate must be permanent, whole-time teacher, employee of the Jamia, and her application for admission to the examination is certified and recommended by the head of the department and institution. For defense personnel enrolled in the Indian Army and corresponding rank in the Air Force and who are inactive during the service. For Urdu medium candidates, the candidate should have passed high school or higher examination from a recognized board university with Urdu as an optional subject. The candidates having acquired qualification equivalent to class 10 and above from a madrasa recognized by Jamia Millia Islamia. For physically handicapped candidates will have to produce a certificate from a competent authority. Note: date sheet and admit cards of the private candidates appearing in the annual examination 2022 for various programs will be available online on the examination portal www.jmicoe.in. And the last date of examination for MA/BA is 18th May 2022. For further inquiry, please visit the official website and the candidates may contact on the following phone numbers which is given here. Friends, for private programs of MA and BA, the fee is 720 and for ex-student also 720 and for compartment CR/GI candidates फी अमाउंट इज़ 240 रुपीज़ ओनली। फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ पर आपको डिटेल्स दी गई है फ्रेश स्टूडेंट्स के लिए जो कि फर्स्ट ईयर में अप्लाई करना चाहते हैं। फ्रेंड्स, आपको ध्यान रखना है आफ्टर फिलिंग द ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म आपको उस ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म का प्रिंट लेना है और उस प्रिंट को काउंटर नंबर 1 पे जाके वेरीफाई कराना है विद ऑल हार्ड कॉपीज़। ये सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स आपको बिफोर द लास्ट डेट जाके वेरीफाई कराने हैं। फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ पे आपको कंप्लीट डॉक्यूमेंट की लिस्ट दी गई है जो कि आपको अटैच करना है रजिस्ट्रेशन फॉर्म के साथ। ओके, प्रूफ ऑफ पासिंग द लास्ट क्वालिफाइंग एग्जामिनेशन, सेल्फ अटेस्टेड फोटोकॉपी, certificate of marks obtained at the last examination, certificate of reservation, character certificate, no objection certificate, and certificate regarding the occupation for the intervening period, and your migration certificate will be needed. Candidate appearing in BA second year examination will have to submit part 1 mark sheet, and for BA final year examination will have to submit latest mark sheet of part 1 and 2 both. फ्रेंड्स, ये सभी डॉक्यूमेंट्स आपके कंपेयर किए जाएंगे ओरिजिनल डॉक्यूमेंट से। सो आपको सभी ओरिजिनल डॉक्यूमेंट्स आपके लेकर जाने हैं सेंटर पर फॉर वेरिफिकेशन प्रोसेस। सो प्लीज़ रीड केयरफुली द कंप्लीट इंस्ट्रक्शंस रिगार्डिंग द फॉर्म्स। फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ पर इम्पॉर्टेंट इंस्ट्रक्शंस दिए गए हैं ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म को फिल करने के लिए। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इनकम्प्लीट एंड रॉन्ग एग्जामिनेशन फॉर्म आर रिजेक्टेड, and syllabus of your study is available on the examination portal of Jamia. So please visit the official website. And the medium of your examination is Urdu, Hindi or English. And the question paper of MA other than languages are provided in English only. Here are the details of programs and their requirements. So for BA Honors Arabic, you have senior secondary school certificate or an equivalent examination with not less than 50% marks in aggregate and in subject concerned. Complete information, please read the complete PDF. Here you can see there. Friends, here is given the minimum duration of program and the maximum duration of program. You can see that. So please read carefully the complete PDF for complete information like about the institution, about the madrasas and all. Thanks for watching my videos, friends. Hope you like my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel. It's really a golden opportunity for girls. So please hurry up. Thank you, friends.